Alright, so for my side dish tonight, which will be in a different video, we're going to have smashed potatoes. So I've washed some small potatoes. Now I'm going to brush them with some olive oil. Salt them down. And salt everything else down in the process. Put some ground pepper on it. They're going to go in a 400-degree oven for around 30 minutes. Alright, so right here I have got some bacon frying up, which I will crumble and put on top of the smashed potatoes, along with cheddar cheese. So the potatoes are done. So I'm going to take a potato masher. Look at there. Mash them down. Squish them around a little bit. Hear all that delicious goodness popping. Now, time to hit them with some bacon and cheddar cheese. Alright. Oven until the cheese is melted. Okay, and there you have it, smashed potatoes. Hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Catch you later.